Good morning, guys, or good afternoon. For me, it's afternoon because I'm in Portugal. Yeah, let's go. Another day, another dollar, hopefully. Yesterday it was $1 less, but very small loss, so not too bad. But mainly because I'm still trading super small size, still getting adjusted to trading on stream pretty much. Also not super interested in the action of the ES. I'm also considering trading something else next to it, perhaps like I was interested to maybe trade some bonds or some other things that move like more like the old ES, like the one I showed you yesterday with the video I have on the channel from 12 years ago. Thicker book, not so crazy, not just crazy swings all the time, at least. Yeah, so let's see how it goes, but maybe the ES will be a little better next month, September. People still getting back maybe from holidays, I guess. Could be. Yeah, let's see how it goes, right? And for today, so I was very cautious yesterday already because I figured it would go up, and it did go up, but mainly, in the overnight. Yeah, so I'm not sure how to trade it right now since we're already there. Let's see. I mean, again, I shouldn't be like super into taking trades all the time, I guess, because that's kind of what I never really did. Sometimes I do trade the open and I'm super focused, but I'm not sure if I'm able to do that with being on stream, but we can see. Yeah, let's see. So I don't have many levels above. So look, if we break down, of course we can test the previous highs, right? So the previous high from yesterday, for example, 57.98.75. Just will be a level. Yeah, but it seems a bit far away. I mean, anything's possible. Like 30 points or so, I guess now. Yeah, more or less. Yeah, let's see how it goes. I'm just if it goes higher, I kind of want to buy the pullbacks, not just buy the breakouts. So I feel it's kind of tricky. If I'm gonna short, I want to see a breakdown first before getting in, and then probably buy if I sell the pullback as well, and then ideally around a place that makes sense, like VWAP, VPOC, like some imbalances on the way down, things like that. Yeah, pretty much the same on the upside than the opposite. So let's see. So about 10 minutes before the open. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, so next week I'm gonna do like the homework preparations with the levels. Put on a like volume profile from the last week or 2 weeks, depending on the range. Composite profile, draw some levels for you guys to start the day with. And yeah, today I didn't feel like doing it yet. So let's see. Yeah, so if we manage to stay above 24s, it's more likely that we continue to push higher, I guess. Yeah, let's see. Worst case, we test VWAP. At 18s, pretty much. Okay, so in the meantime, we tested 24s already. No, we didn't. We almost. Close one. One tick shy. Okay. Well, that could be an entry if it was the open. Not just before the open, I guess. So, 3 minutes almost. Almost opening. Let's see. Okay, so we're close to the 24 level, 25. Tough one to trade on right now. So probably, if there's a buy, it's gonna be VWAP, like 18-ish. We are already pretty close. I feel I should try this, but so close to the open. Tricky. Gonna wait a bit, I think. Would have been pretty much low VWAP, so you know, let's maybe just do it, you know, like just whatever. 2-point trade already. Nasdaq going lower. Well, it's building volume, which makes sense at the VWAP, I guess. But it's not per se saying to me it's going higher. Kind of wanna try it, I guess. But where? Kind of want to see it flush down, and then maybe buy. Maybe. The lowest still unfinished, so I'm super tricky. Kinda don't want to do it now. Kinda don't want to do it. NQ is still gonna lower. Maybe the next flush down I might buy if they go up again after, but I'm not sure if I want to be be long. Some bits at 10s, maybe that can work. I'm gonna give it a try. One lot. Oh, fuck. Really? $15, just one lot, but I kind of want to see 10s, but not with my one lot, I guess. But I kind of want to see retest to this 1975, like 19. Yeah, tough one. Feel me? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Really? Yes. Alright, so up to 50. The little trade before. It's total 275. Still, guys, just 2 lots. It's really like nothing. I should really just push it. Should really push it and just wait for my level, because now it's right back at where I wanted to have it, and it's even going higher. So I should wait for a test at like the 19s, 1975s, where the volume came in. That could have been a rejection area. Not where I was. Like, I mean, it's VWAP, of course, so, you know, there's something. But after, you know, they tried to push it higher. I'm not sure why it should per se stop at VWAP. Although, you know, the scale out was good, but I should have waited for the other one, the ad. Anyway. Yeah, what do you do? And I should have at least had twice the size, but that's okay. Next week, I'm gonna trade size. I promise. I'm gonna push myself. Like the size I normally would trade off stream. So yeah, at least double of what I do now. And this is just baby steps. Baby steps. But whatever, it's alright. Better than making a loss. Yeah. And I wanted to add, but it goes so quickly away from you because the book is so empty, right? So there's nothing here like 40, 50, 60 per price. It's nothing to lean on. It's really still, it's starting to bother me a lot. Yeah. But what do you do, right? What do you do? Nothing. Accept it or move on. So now, yeah, the initial move was down, of course, so, you know, continuation kind of makes sense. Also, we're up a lot already from yesterday, so gaps tend to not close if they're up so much, but you know, they can definitely make an effort. And there's that like 1k bid almost at 10s, and I'm kind of feel that they want to trade that. Yeah, I feel they're gonna fill that. They, you know, it just attracts. They're probably gonna fill it, and then they could, if that's not a level that they're gonna bounce on, they're gonna use it to sell it harder. You know, because look, let's say if you have a lot of, if you're like a big firm and you need volume, right, to execute. So if you want to move it, you need to have a lot of inventory or yeah, how do you say that? They need something to build upon, I guess, like, you know. Yeah. Or it can just hold here. It's fine too. Oh man, it's yeah. No. Yeah. How are you guys doing? What's up? Trading NQ, ES, something else? What is up? So interesting. I just saw the light go out behind me, and I don't know why it's doing that. It's going out all the time after like, I guess 30-45 minutes. I'm not sure why. Like I can't find there's a timer on it, but it changes the background, right? So I really don't know why it's doing that. Let me skip the. Let me change the scene for a bit and then take off the cam and turn it back on. I have no idea why. Alright, it's back. I don't know. I think it maybe gets too hot or something. I have no idea why, but it's kind of weird. Because, yeah, should be able to handle that, but no idea. So it might turn off again soon. Anyway. Yeah, it's just sitting here. So building volume. So that means it, yeah, could go either way, of course, always, but that means something's gonna happen. So I'm thinking, because it's never easy, if they go up first, then they will make new highs. If they go down first, then we're gonna make new highs. Wait, if I go up first, then we're gonna make new lows, I mean. Kind of like we did now, and then we should go lower now, but let's see if they're really gonna do that. So it ticked up a little bit, right, first, and then it's gonna move down, like, you know, a little, how you call that, like you know, for a swing, like, if you want to go that way, you first you go back and then we go. But let's see, I don't know, it's like up to down to algo right now. Let's see, low volume stuff. Who knows? Who knows? I know who doesn't know. That's me. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, it's weird. It's weird. They clearly tried to hold it, but I kind of feel it's like not really a good low. So I feel like I should maybe gamble. Well, not gamble. Like take a calculated risk sorting one. Oh, there we go already. Really? I wanted to short like 1575-ish. I'll try one, I guess. And then of course goes higher right away. Sure. Okay. But the low is 1250. I'll give it one ad at like VWAP, and then see if we can move lower. I don't really trust how they built the volume at low. Terrible entry. Anyway. Come on, give me my ad. Really? Really? Are they going already? Jesus. One tick, no fill. Unbelievable. Now it goes. So annoying. But again, I didn't got my ad. Super annoying. I kind of want to have a runner now for like the 10s. The 10s might probably fill now. Or should I just do it? Just show it. Kind of just want to short it now for the 10s. Super tricky. Super tricky. I kind of feel we should see the 10s now, or that bit where I've been telling you guys about. I feel it's really gonna fill, but like, you know, like my risk is just not great here. I should have really had my ad. I'm not sure why I'm being such a pussy with the size I'm trading. Very annoying. Yeah, next time I probably don't want it anymore. Jesus, yeah. But they're really making an effort trying to hold though. it's yeah. But I still feel they really should trade the 10s here. Hit that volume. Yeah. Man. So annoying. So that would mean I should short the next uptick, like maybe even to VWAP still to see the 10s, but yeah, so NQ kind of swept lower and back into the range. So it will be kind of tricky, I think. But I still think it's just like, could also be just algo action, right? Up to, down to in the ES, and then we go lower into the 10s. I see people front running it on the book. Like there was like 1K. Oh no, they changed price. So there was 700,000 on the 10. Now I think partly moved to 10.25. Some of them are 10.50. You can definitely see the stacking of the bid orders there at 10s here, right? So I feel they're gonna sell into it, but so where do I enter now with a good risk reward? I'm not super sure. Yeah, I mean, we had it right here, so this was it. Now you can say that in hindsight, but before it actually trades there, it's super hard to know. Yeah. I still strongly feel they're gonna hit the 10s. Man, that is hard to. So annoying, this order book. Nothing to lean on. Because it will cost me at least 2 points to check to just try. And since I don't have much profit already, not sure if I even want to try that with one lot. Not really, I guess. So we'll wait, but you know, if you guys do it, start to scale out the 10s, I guess. No advice, just, you know. Yeah, if we go there. We don't know until we get there, but I strongly feel we go there. Yeah. Trying to hold though, but you know, it's just look, this super annoys me. Like all these prices with like 50 contracts on it, like nothing is like substantial, you know. And that's why you see it go up down very very quickly, because there's no support or you know, resistance. Same. super hard. So it's really like a paradise for algorithms, to HFTs to mess around with it. NQ's trying to go higher. Yeah, so this could be the fake out, I guess, for NQ. Checked out higher now. Then this should be it, like 15, 30. So pushing, and then it should fail, but you know, maybe it's holding. Because like I said, like gaps often don't get filled if they're more than like 10, 15 points. But yeah, if there's a short, that's probably here, like 16's probably the short. 16-ish, 16, 17, around here. We kind of decided. We went to 16.75. Yeah, okay. So this would have been the short. I have just no balls this week. Like, hey, good morning. Where are you located, by the way? Hello A, or how can I call you? Hello A. Yeah. Yeah, so in Q it went back into the range. It would mean that the short is still in play, so this little uptick should still go down. I don't know why I'm not short into this actually. This makes perfect sense now to go to 10s right now. Yeah. I should have been short, like which country? Yeah. Where in the world are you? So now we have some size hitting and trading. So you know, you saw that the 250 on the offer and then 243 traded. That could be some catalyst to go down now, if they go down. Otherwise, they're gonna, you know, keep ripping it higher from here, I guess. It still feels going down from here. This doesn't make much sense for a low, to me at least. A little bit more so on the NQ maybe, but the low on the ES, yeah. You're in the US, okay, cool. Yeah. Oh, here come the 10s, guys. Here come the 10s, the trade that I've been talking about for a while. I'm not in there. Jesus, yeah. I am in Portugal, yes, at the beach. Yeah, but I'm from the Netherlands. Look, 16s, even scaling out here at 12s would have been amazing, right? So I was anticipating the 10 test for the 10s where the bid is that I still think they're gonna hit actually, but Jesus, I'm like, this is not my week. This is not my week. Nah, it's alright. Happens. It happens. This was it? Really? I don't believe it. So now they're back at the high volume, right? At 14s, pretty much. So they hit 14. So still stalled there. Let's see if they want to stall there. Yeah, it's weird. I'm getting so annoyed by this order book, like being so empty. It's like whoop, up, down, up, 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 up. Very annoying. Very, very annoying. Yeah. But yeah, so building around the volume. And so like here, this volume here, right, is built up mostly from what happened here. Yeah, I mean, I still feel they should trade the 10s. I mean, I think the guys at the 10s really want to get their fill, right? So, yeah, but maybe not. Let's see. But regardless, it's gonna be without me, so I'm not in there. You're the bond, yeah. You mean on FTT, right? Trading the bonds. I think the latest is that they're gonna allow it again, but like with commissions or something, and a max. Oh yeah, we have news. Yeah, true, we have news. True, good that you. No, we had. Yeah, we do, right? Pending home sales. Yeah, pending. Yeah. Yes. Pending home sales. Thank you for the reminder. Yeah. Pending home sales. Yeah. We do. Yeah, I guess so. Yeah, I've looked into it a bit. It's a bit, I don't know. It's a bit of a weird issue. Yeah. Do you want to talk about it? Yeah, and like with the ES, like this book is so empty, like 40, 50, 60, you know. There's one big order moves it down like 2 points, I guess. Like, you know, like if someone needs to exit market, like it's over. All right, moving up a little bit. Okay. It's weird. Oh, wait, news, sure. Jesus, I'm really not awake. Yeah, it's the news. It's kind of weird though. Should we short that then? I feel we could short that. Yep. Again, just a one lot. That's fine. Next week, guys. Next week is gonna be it. Didn't get my fill in yet. And now we're gonna get the 10s. I'm telling you. Again, I didn't got my second fill. I'm so annoyed by it. I want to have my second fill for the runner. And I want to have at least for the runner, I wanted to have like, you know, this one, 14s. But ideally you want to have 10s, right? Because I still think they're going to hit 10s. I mean, why wouldn't they? Sitting there really looking nice, you know, looking nice and shiny here. All those bits. Yeah, it's annoying. So where did I short it? Yeah, I should. Oh wait, I have my. It's 8 ticks. I should have 12 ticks. Okay. Well. Yeah, I'm not really awake today, I guess. Although I slept okay, I guess. Yeah. Could have easily had 3 points. Oh well. But from the on the upside, I'm up 425. Well, 450 in total. Yeah, and next week I feel, you know, I'm gonna push a little bit more, get at least 500, 750, aim for that, 1k days. By the dips day, I don't think so. It doesn't feel like it anymore because it worked too many times, and we made new highs now, right? So we're well above the highs from where the dips used to work. So my feeling is that this is gonna be the time that they're gonna say like, no, this time not gonna work, guys. And but yeah, who knows? But basically, if you just look at like statistics, you should still try it, right? Because like you should just keep trying until it doesn't work. So, and so far it worked. So, you know, but in my opinion, like, well, not my opinion, in my, like my, just my feeling about it, it's not worth anything. It's not gonna work this time. But yeah, let's see. Because I still think we're gonna go to the 10s. Yeah. But that news was funny. I should have shorted more into that news. The news was so much bullshit. Really. Yeah. I think next week I should set my default size to 2 at least. You know, not just 1. It's just like. Yeah. Yeah. At least for yesterday it was good because my loss was very limited, right? Like I lost like $87. Yeah, nothing. But still, this is not the not what I had in mind for the stream. But it will be better. It will be better, guys. I promise you. I will do my best. I will do my best to be better and make more profits. And help you guys out, you know. I'm also here like just to, if you want to know some stuff. I mean, doing this stuff for a while, you know, a couple of years, 15 or so. Yeah, even though I'm not like trading super high size here in this funded challenge thing, I do know a lot. You know, I do know a lot. And I do know, for example, that they're gonna go to 10s now. No, I don't know. I do not know. But I still very strongly feel that. And this move to the 20s, 21s, oh man, that would have been amazing to get to the 10s. Yeah, I'm not sure why I want to get out always so quickly. I should work on that. Still, it's not my normal trading style. It's like very short trades, like very, you know, maybe 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, then I like to be out. But that's not how you're going to get the 10 pointers, right? And this is how you're going to get the 10 pointers, like short the news. That was BS, short into that like I did. I just got one filled, the other one was here I think, or I don't know where I put the other one. Almost filled for another one. Yeah, and then just took a scalp on the first, and then, yeah, here comes the 10. Here we go, guys. You're welcome, you're welcome. I didn't make money off it, but I hope you guys did, you know? I hope you guys did. Yeah. Jesus, here it is, the 10s. But it went straight to the 7s actually, yeah. So that's interesting. But at least I got filled. Ah man, I should have really been short into that. I've been talking about it for an hour already, I guess. No, maybe 30 minutes, but whatever. Yeah, yeah. But this could be the low. So this could be the temporary low. You know, if we're gonna hold 10s now and then not gonna go down again below it, then this might be it to check out some. Well, actually, I don't know. At least go back to the middle, right? So check out this volume again, 15s, 14s, whatever. If they're able to hold the 10s here, because I need to get back into range, right? And then back into range is kind of like at least 12, 13s, and for NQ it's kind of like, well, they're trying also like 407, 408-ish, more or less. But yeah, if not, it's gonna be very hard to go up again. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, but yeah, that 10s. Yeah. I'll be sleeping on that this evening. Why didn't I short into the 10s? Yeah. Yeah, tricky. And I should have shorted more into that news. It was just like made no sense. Also, NQ didn't really agree. Yeah. Yeah. Oh well. In hindsight, right? In hindsight, everything is super easy. That's also affects. In hindsight, everyone is a genius. In hindsight, everyone is expert. Yeah. It's also about executing. Yeah. And if you cannot execute, your calls are worthless. Completely worthless. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Did you guys get that? If you cannot execute, your calls are worthless. Yeah? You need to execute to make money. But without good calls, your executions are worthless. Yeah, I mean, it goes hand in hand, right? It's kind of true. It's kind of true. It's kind of true. Yeah. Yeah. But I'm more referencing me calling the tens for 30 minutes, you know, and not being short into it. Yeah, you know, it happens. It's part of the game. You know, especially when, you know, things are new, like the streaming, you know, the whole setup. I like to trade from my laptop, and now I'm back at my trading desk. Yeah, a lot of things that I have to get used to. Like, again, like the last, like it's like my sixth stream. Yeah. You know, it's but it will be okay. It will be okay. Yeah. In the end, it all will be okay. Yeah. But I really should start thinking about my size, because with this size, it's not gonna. There's not much gonna happen, right? Yeah. Yeah, you know, it's just a lot of new things. Still also super busy with the platform development, right? I just noticed the light is going off again. I'm not sure why it's going off all the time. I'll look into it, because it was a pretty expensive light, and I'm like, okay, it's like the tube light, you know. Yeah, and I'm not sure why it's keep going off. It's super annoying. As a matter of fact, let me again turn it on. We're back. Well, let's see how long it's gonna last. I think it might be the charger also, because like it's like USB-C charger thing. Anyway, details. But it does look nice, right? With the tree. Anyway, how much do you need per day? I mean, need is a big word, but you need 7.5K to pass this challenge. So I would say 1K per day, I guess. 750 a day. 750. Let's say 750. But 1K per day would be nice. And that's kind of what I would have had now, right? So wait, where did my? Oh, here. It kind of would have been where I would have been at with double the size. Like there would have been like 850 on just the ES. Would have been good. Just double the size. So I don't even need to trade that much bigger, because I'm more used to like 5 and 10 lots. But for this specific challenge, you need 7.5K to pass it. Yeah, you know, in 10 days. So average 750 per day. I'm not there yet by far right now. Let me see where I'm at. I am at. Average. Yeah, no, by far I'm not there. So my average right now is 285 per day. But yeah, that was, you know, except from the one day, it was like mainly one lots, right? Yeah, and I can trade up to 15 in this account. So yeah, I should really just push it more, you know? Yeah, should really push more. Just double the size from one, even from 1 to 2 would make my average go to from 285 to, you know, like was that like 550 or something? So let's see. If I double the contract sizes, then 570 it would be 570. 810, definitely feeling a decent area to lean on at the moment. 810? 810 where? 8? Ah, 810, the 10s, yeah. The 10s, 57, 10, yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah. For sure. Yeah, they're really trying. Yeah. But, okay, so let's... Yeah. 285. If I triple the size, then my average would have been 8555. But you cannot count the biggest day because I traded like size with that. Like it doesn't really count. So, but all the other days were like one lots and maybe two at some point. But I can, yeah. So I can definitely just do the same and then just do more size. Yeah. Let's see. I don't know. Not in a super rush or anything, but you know, would be fun. Also, would be fun. Yeah. Yeah, so now we have 14, so it's like kind of resistant, right? VPLC moved down also from this just before the news. So a VPLC moving down is usually negative, or you know, not positive. Yeah. Yeah. But yeah, but those 10s are definitely interesting. Yeah. But also weird because like, if you really want to buy size, like why wouldn't you use an iceberg unless you want to make it obvious that you want to buy there, right? Because if I was going to buy 10s with size like 1K contracts, I would definitely not use the full, I would definitely not show the full size. I would definitely use iceberg orders to do so. So it's interesting. Maybe they don't care, could be, but yeah. I don't know. I'm not them, so. You're using a 5-minute footprint. What do you think? For ES, best to switch to tick or volume? Well, so I'm using a reversal bars, right, for the footprint, and for me that works the best, because it, you know, it only makes a new bar if it's really reversing, and to me, it gives me more clear profiles in the footprint. So I don't use tick for that, and I also don't, for that same reason, I don't use volume. But it's also very much personal preference. Yes. Yeah. But as you can see in this chart, I'm using a 12 tick reversal, and the 12 ticks can change upon different volatility. So if it's super volatile, then I can change it to 16, or well, if it's really volatile, maybe even to 20. Or when it's gonna be super calm, I can change it to 10 or 8. But lately I like to have it on 12. Yeah, but it depends on volatility. But again, it's also personal preference, so there's not per se a wrong or right in that, I feel. Yeah, you should just maybe try some things and then, you know, see if it works for you or not, and then make a choice based upon that. I mean, yeah, it's kind of like point and figure. Not completely the same, but or no, it might just actually be the same. But it's like with box size 0 or 1, how you said it. Ultron bonds. You know more about that, right? Can you maybe explain in the chat? The point and figure. So I feel the same, but it's like with point and figure you can use different box sizes, I feel, and with reversal bars the box size is always like 1 or 0 or you know, it doesn't get used. But in any case, it's very similar. Yes, yeah. Oh, Sierra chart doesn't have it? Okay. Well, you know, then you need to start using Tradrr. Just saying. No, but they don't have it really. Ah, yeah, right. Yeah, they should have it. Yeah. But yeah, for example, NinjaTrader doesn't have it by default. Yeah, I'm using 12 ticks, but it's like there's 3 points in the ES, but that's based on the current volatility. So depending on the volatility in the market, I changed my reversal setting. As you can imagine, if there's no movement, then 12 ticks doesn't make much sense. Then it would be more 8 or 10. And when it's super volatile, you know, fix going to 40, whatever, then I probably would use 20 or 24. Yeah. Anyway, we got some resistance at the VPOC right here at 14s, 375. Okay, cool. Yeah. Ultron bond. Yeah, what's the difference between reversible and PNF? Yeah, because you know better, right? I mean, I know that the point and figure has like box sizes that you can set, I think. But I believe you know better. So I don't know. I never really use point and figure charts. I'm not really sure. Yeah, but so yep, flushing down. Yeah, I was gonna say if it doesn't go above VPOC, it should go lower. And there's the flush. Yeah. 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 But yeah, let me know how you like it. Hello A. Because I feel for, you know, looking at volume and footprint data, the reversal bar is just, for me it works the best. So yeah, let me know how it goes. Or maybe you can put up an extra chart, you know, like put it next to the other one that you use and then see, compare it for a while, see if you can make sense of it or not. And then either use it or delete it. And Q moving lower. Yeah, so that was kind of my feeling before this all happened, that it wasn't like by the dip day. And you know, while it still can work, you know, it's not like moving down quickly. I don't know. I feel this is not a by the dip day. Yeah, I feel this is like short the retraces day, but yeah. Yeah, I mean, yeah, yeah, I mean, I would try that when it goes to yesterday's high, or more specifically when there's some volume right there. So like it's like that would be like 57, 96, 96 or something. That would be, that could cause a bounce in my opinion, and I would definitely try that. Yeah, but 96, so that's 90. Oh, that's not too far off. Yeah, so 96, 96, 94 area. Yeah, 96, 94. Okay, that's where I had some notes from this time. Okay, cool. Yeah. 96, 94. Ish. Let's see. Let us see. Yeah. Yeah, no deal. To be honest, the way this is trading right now, it's not really enticing for me. Yeah, it's just doing the up to down to algo. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like I'm kind of done already. Yeah, so up 450 on a day total. Better than losing. Yeah, I'm almost at 500, and I think 450 is good enough. So I'm like whatever. Like I don't need to do that much anymore. I also don't really like the action here. It's just like, you know, moving up and down, up and down. There's no real. Well, and again, NQ is going down better. You know, it has a better move down, but I really don't like how the ES is trading down here. Like, you know, up to, down to, up to, down to, and then, you know, it's really like, yeah, just too many algorithms. I mean, you know, it's already algorithmic. 70% I guess, 80%, I don't know. Yeah, it's just trying to hold here, and Q is just moving better here, I feel. Oh, I should save this as ES30. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, so the difference between the reversal bars and point and figure is that the point and figure has an extra setting, like a minimum box size. So let's say, so for example here in the chart, it goes down and then we have 12 ticks up and it makes a new bar, right? So the box size of the point and figure could make it go that it doesn't make a new bar, even though the setting is set to that, because the minimum box size is like yeah, I think like that, pretty much. Yeah, the minimum box size is not met. Yeah, but again, I've never really used it. It seemed to we seem to see some buyers right now, I guess, trying at least, and Q bouncing a little bit. Yeah, they could make an effort here. Go back to VPSC. Yeah, I'm not sure. We're still here stuck with the volume right here from here now. Like there's more things that we have to look at. Yeah. Then we have the volume on the VPSC. Can I do that? So there are some things. Yeah, so here's yesterday's profile. So we have the reverse volume bump here that we could try. And then something here. This area. Yeah, let's see. Let us see. Okay, so the 10s are meaningless at this point, I guess. Straight back to VPSC, which kind of makes sense because like it is the first real bounce, I guess, that we have. at least in NQ. To go back, straight back to 14s for ES. But yeah, like I don't like trading NQ because it's like a little bit crazy at times, but they do have good moves at times. I mean, better than the ES. Yeah. Let's see. Ah, now my other one went out. Okay, we're back. Okay. Oh wow, I just missed that. It went straight back to the 14s. Ah, that would have been a nice short. And I missed that trying to fix the light. Expensive light. Oh wow, that's funny. Yeah, that's funny. Bad luck. That would have been a nice short. I just marked it, right? Straight to that. Wow. Wow. That sucks. Unbelievable. Yeah, that would have been nice. Too short. Can you believe it? Like just a second I tried to fix the light and now all the lights are turning off, I see. Anyway, I'll try to have some better power cord to that. Wow. Yeah. This was at least a 5-point trade, at least. Yeah. Yeah, right? Murphy's Law, exactly. Jesus. It's so sad. Oh man, are you kidding me? Wow. Alright, that's, yeah. What do you do? Or you can try to short the 10s now if they come back, if they pull back, but yeah, honestly. Oh man. Well. Yeah. I'll just make a comedy show instead of a trading show, right? So we try to do the 10s, or are we gonna then screw it? At least we're screwed on that. Let me see. Oh, this was it. And this is where the volume is, I guess. 9, yeah, maybe. Yeah, I guess if anything, it should have been tried 9.25, but alright, why not? It's annoying. Jesus, we miss another one. Oh. You start to buy a little bit, okay. I'll stop shorting then, you know, I won't short then for you. Yeah. It's annoying. Yeah, because here you can see the volume, right? Like there's like a sell balance here, and a heavy one at 9s. 338 contracts, and then so if anything I should have at least tried the 9s and then maybe have another one there, but would have been good for at least 2 points, but yeah, needed. Would have been nice, 2 points. Yeah. Yeah, so if this holds, then they you know, the next step should test VWAP, right? I think I missed opportunities. So I'm not feeling that inclined to short it again, or you know, short it again. Try to short it. Yeah, but man, you see them. Look, we can look back the stream, right? I'm telling you, like, this might be a good opportunity to short it. Yeah, but now it happened already, and I don't think the second time will be very good, or more risky at least. And if you want to do that, then normally you can do that with like lower size, you know, like because there's less probability the next time, I guess, you know. But yeah, I'm already doing 1 lots now, so I cannot do half a lot. So yeah, next week, guys, next week is gonna be really good. Be there. And don't forget to like this video. You know, I need some likes, guys. We don't have many viewers yet. We need all the likes we can get. Yeah, what a journey. Thank you. Average down. Normally, well, it depends. If it's in the plan, I can average down once, or you know, if it's still in the zone, it could be an area of like 2 points that I you know like to scale into. But in general, I don't like to hold it for very long if that doesn't work. Believe me, I tried. But usually I just end up losing more. Exactly. Come on, guys. Let's put some super likes. Do we have that? No, I don't think so. So yeah. Okay. So now it went down. Yeah. Look, I don't know. Wait, where did it go? 11. Yeah. Okay. So I didn't really see that coming. To almost 1175. Yeah, not real setup, I guess. Just yeah. So the 40s was a setup, then the retest to the breakdown was a test. So this would have been at least 4 points. Well, scale out maybe at 2. Well, if with a 2 lot, right? So scale out at 2 or 3 points. 3 points, I guess. And then ideally hold for more. And then this VPOC would have been nice. So it's also close to the low. So 3-4 points, and then another 2 points on this one. Yeah, would have been nice. Next time. Yeah. But I still don't feel this is gonna be buy the dip day. It might look like that now because this could be it actually. So if they flush down now, right, like looks kind of negative. If they buy it back up now, again, then it could still work. Then it's still buy the dip. But I don't know. I'm just not feeling that today. No. I mean, it goes both ways, right? So you could have bought like the 03s and make money now at 07. You could have shorted the 11s, make money at the whatever 07, 06, whatever. Both sides still work. So you know, still two-way action. Yeah. Still like NQ, ES still up almost like more or less 0.5%. Yeah, so you know, all good. Yeah, and actually the flush now on the ES looks better if this is really gonna hold. So that really don't need to go lower now. Don't need to. Doesn't have to go lower than 04s. Yeah, so 04s, 05 this should hold here, in my opinion. Then you can do it. If they go again, I'm not sure whether I want to really try. Let's see. Oh. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this could be good. This could be good. And then it fails again. Another test. Yeah, right now it just depends how quickly they recover or not. So NQ needs to go above 317s, 18s. If they're not, then yeah, I wouldn't be very interested in. Yeah. Yeah, like I said, like my feeling was this is not gonna be a buy the dip day, but you know they can still do it, of course, you know. So what do we have? Like we have EU close coming up in 40 minutes, I guess. That could tag a low. Yeah. Yeah, I'm saying like I'm still saying like short the retraces. So the 14s would have been perfect, you know. Like I was said before that little up and to up down up to down to action. Yeah, short retraces. Yeah, doesn't feel like they're buying. But yeah, you know, definitely tricky because I've been buying it up all week, right? So definitely use stops. Yeah, yeah, and I guess now I'm kind of done trading. I feel. I should have done that more aggressively, and I mean, it was a bit unlucky with turning off the camera or the stream camera, and then it exactly tested the 14. So it's hard to say in hindsight if I really would have sold it there, but probably. Yeah, and then it would have been a different story. But yeah, I mean, I never hold that long, right? So, but I should think about some runners, especially with more size. I can have. Are we getting close to that 96 now? Oh, okay, interesting. Back into yesterday's range. Yeah. So, down. I don't have the down up actually. Let me see. Same, I guess. Oh, yeah, interesting. Yeah, that's very interesting, the Dow. Yeah, yesterday's low. Yeah. Yesterday's high. Yeah. Yeah. Again, I don't really. I still think it's not by the dip because like the way it went there, for me, it kind of feels like just liquidation. And that could easily go all the way to, to what? Could all the way, to wherever, but like 88, 85, 84, 85-ish area. So I still don't see any. Yeah, not really. Oh, here we are. And this was like 90 area. Yeah, see, it's more. It feels more like just liquidation, long liquidations. So I don't know. It really is just easier to just short the retraces today, at least. Oh, it did went there. Should have been an entry. I need to prepare a little bit better. I'm just lazy on levels. Okay, 94. Let's go. Okay, let's go. And to where? To like 99 or 800? Yeah. Yeah, this would have been nice area. 90, 91. Yeah, that would have been perfect. Yeah. That is a shame. Ah well, live and learn. Stop 90. Oh, okay. I hope it works out for you. Yeah. No, I mean, yeah, it makes sense, but I just don't see any buyers. You know, it still feels like long liquidation, pretty much, and yeah, and that's just. Oh, I have to my meeting. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my analysis, because I think that was kind of spot on. Execution sucked. We're still up 450 on the day, so you know, at least made something. Not super happy with my execution. I will try to work on that next week. But yeah, you know, thanks for tuning in, and especially the ones watching live. But if you watch the replay, don't forget to subscribe and like, of course. You know, let's grow this channel a little bit. You know, make me execute better. And then see you guys next week, Tuesday. And I might do, not sure about it yet, do some, just, you know, some impromptu streams, perhaps. Or yeah, let's see how it goes. Maybe some afternoon session, you know, some afternoon trading. Well, in Portugal it's then evening, but who knows? But let's see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and then catch you guys later.